can feel the energy inside the arena in San Juan City as ABS-CBN Sports delivers to you its live and exclusive coverage of the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament. It is UST and Adamson figuring in their final game of the elimination round, and it is the most important game of the season for them. FEU,
of course, scouting their opponent. Of course, the loser of this match will have a playoff against FEU. So the winner of that match will snatch the final spot in the top 4 as we enter the semifinals.
The UST side actually thought that they got a point there, but Adamson somehow able to send that ball back to the UST side. Unfortunately for them, it went out. So point for UST. Zapanta having difficulty receiving that first ball. Rhea, it's a set to Banaticla. Over the double block, Zapanta pops it up. Pisa with that power tip. Cortel with the left hand. What a rally we're having here. Oh, single block by Guevara. And the rally still goes on.
Oh, Cortel gets that point from a drop ball.
And we have to commend Marlene Cortel for stepping up big. Sheila Pineda has not been sent in yet, nursing that right ankle sprain. And another development here, Listana is actually the other libero, the backup libero of Vasquez. But since kulang sila sa tao, Mami Dulce decided to change the position of Listana. Soriano. Yan ang tinatawag na regalo.
And Soriano, of course, very aggressive there at the front line.
Even with that gift, Soriano putting an angle to it. Oh!
That sails out. 18.
Listana sends that one out.
That could have been a huge boost to the momentum of the Lady Falcons, but they give that point away. Pisa, it's a back set for Cortel. Double block of UST was there. Oh!
Listing violation. Oh, there.
Pisa really has a lot on her plate. Being the backup setter, having to suddenly replace Makatuno in this pressure-packed game. Now let's see if Pisa can hold her own here. Soriano pounding it off. That triple block of UST. Banaticla dug up by Vasquez. Pisa. Oh!
Set went over the net.
With a regalo.
It was a gift for Banaticla.
Great presence of mind by Maru Banaticla, noticing that it was a missed set by Pisa. Banaticla sending it right back.
Hindi mo nakita? I-open mo! Okay, tatlo lang yan. Madali lang yan. Kalma lang. Kasi may tension eh. Okay. Para makapag-isip kayo. Okay? Okay, that's good. Tara. Kaya yan.
The biggest lead so far here in the first set for the team in yellow. It has been that close.
3 points up.
UST trying to pull away. Mami Dulce calling a timeout.
Now let's see if Pisa can make these adjustments, the necessary adjustments that they need at this point.
Vasquez popping it up to Soriano. A facial to Banaticla. But UST able to keep it alive. Soriano going for another drop ball. Ortiz just too tall for Soriano. Cortel is playing her heart out here. Cortel once again. Soriano!
Soriano baby that attack. She was already there. But last minute she hesitated. Look at this.
that just hurts if you're an Adamson fan.
21-17.
And Soriano actually knew it. I mean, she saw the ball was right there in front of her. It was the execution.
Chance ball now. A running Ortiz that time. Miss hit for Micah.
One of the few missed hits that you'll see from her. That running attack.
But the defense of Adamson was there.
Serving.
The double block ready to defend that running hit of Ortiz. Cortel. Again, Ortiz will try. She won't quit.
Again,
But
outside.
that one goes out. Point for Adamson.
And it's very characteristic of Ortiz. We've seen how before she was blocked about 3 or 4 times, but she still went for it.
Yeah, just the last game against MU.
Oo, and this time around, ganun ulit. She had an error the first time around. She asked for the ball again from Di Makulangan. But unfortunately, error ulit yung second try.
Serving.
And with the way Micah has been playing the past couple of games, I won't be surprised if Ortiz continues to ask for those balls to be set up for her.
22-19.
Lucky break for the Tigers as they get the point.
Now, if you're on the side of Adamson, you see how they were managed to keep the score very close to UST. But it's these small errors that's really costing UST to take this lead.
And that was UST's problem in the first round. They
Outside
gave
shot.
too many
Zapata.
errors. And now UST closing in on this first set. Coach Pante calls her second timeout. Let's listen in.
Ayun, ipapasok mo lang, hahatawin mo ng ganon. Sinabi ko, yung presence of mind nandun, ilagay mo na lang. Hindi yung palo ng palo. Okay, come on, Pao. Nasa harapan ka pa, bawi ha. 4 pa yan. Okay, 4 pa yan. Kayang-kaya pa yan ha. Press. Sipay.
Coach Pante talking to Pau about that babied hit.
And of course, she's the most senior that Mommy Dulce has in the front line. So she's banking on Soriano to really deliver the point.
And perhaps going through the mind of the coaching staff of Adamson, will they try and send in Pineda in the next set? Because it will be very difficult if they go down 2-0. But this first set is not over yet. Mommy Dulce encouraging her players to continue fighting, and they get a point.
Denied.
There's Pineda.
20.
Not 100% this afternoon. Suffered that right ankle sprain in Thursday's practice. Very unfortunate for Adamson University. Tuna denied. Oh! Di Makulangan. And Mayat Zapanta able to keep it alive. Ortiz again.
Oh, look at the defense of Adamson.
Great dig there by Kinlog. Ortiz.
Zapata denied.
Height is might for Micah. She didn't even have to jump that much.
That's right.
Set point advantage.
Statue of Liberty hit there
Team captain.
for Ortiz.
Serving.
Parang nagtiptoe lang with a little
Okay.
bit of elevation. Not that much effort needed to get that point.
Soriano not wanting to let this one go just yet.
Adamson, 11 out, 9,
It's going to be a challenge for Adamson. They have 3 attackers in the front line. UST is down to its last point, but Soriano is currently serving for them. So they have Guevara, Kinlog, and Zapanta, and they need to deliver.
Very sharp serve from Pau. Oh. Zapanta to the back row. Melatunay. Vasquez pops it up. Pisa to Kinlog. It's a back set. Adamson is still breathing here in set number 1. Watch it one more time. The veteran, the captain, Angelica Kinlog.
Timeout. Lady Tigers. Score.
Short na yung palo mo. Hindi ka umaatras. Hindi ka umaatras. Meron naman pumalo doon. Wala naman dumepensa. One good receive. Isang combination play. Ano?
Patay tayo, isa na lang.
Para na sa harap, diba?
UST just needs 1 point. Coach Ogie just giving a few reminders to Tunay. Right now, what we're saying is that if the ball is not received properly, most of the time it will be given to the outside hitter, and he's challenging Tunay to give even better attacks to Adams. And let's see if they can execute.
Here's the execution. Caballejo, the drop ball works for the veteran fourth-year player, Judy Caballejo, and UST takes set number 1 to the delight of the UST faithful inside the arena in San Juan City. It was a battle. Adamson, without 2 key players, grinding it out, but in the end, UST taking the first set. This is the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Set number 2 coming up. Keep it right here on Studio 23.